Hinge joints. Hinge joints are a type of joint that functions much like the hinge on a door. Closely observe a door and open and close a few times. Observe the hinges of the door carefully. These are called the hinges. They allow the door to move back and forth. Let us look at the kind of movement allowed by a hinge. Let me give you an example of a thing you use every day. You all would have used or seen this type of geometric box. Open and close this geometric box for few times. Can you move this in any other direction? No. This is exactly what happens in hinge joints movements. This type of hinge movement is also seen in laptops. Hence, hinge joints are the joints that allows bones to move in one direction. They are found between the two or more than two bones where we need back and forth movement. In human body, hinge joints are found in the fingers, toes, elbows, knees and ankles. Fixed joints. As the name itself indicates, these joints are fixed, that means they don't move. That is, the bones cannot move at these joints. Such joints are called fixed joints. When you open your mouth wide, you can move your lower jaw away from your head, isn't it? Try to move your upper jaw now. Are you able to move it? No. There is a joint between the upper jaw and the rest of the head, which is a fixed joint. All our body parts have different shapes. Have you ever thought what gives the different parts of the body their different shapes? Like our hands are different from our legs, nose, ears, etc. They all don't look same, isn't it? Have you ever made a model or a sketch? What will you make first? Maybe we will have a framework to give the model or a sketch shape before making its outer structure. The same way, all the bones in our body also form a framework to give a shape to our body.